Good evening everyone, this is Reza from Flavours of Light. I hope you're all doing very well. Today I'm going to show you a delicious juice / smoothie that I like to make that is 100% fruit based. It contains a lot of nutrients, a lot of delicious flavors. It's very simple and it's super delicious. Anyone I've shared this recipe with and has tasted, particularly me making it, have just given me their brains have gone wild when they tasted it, because you're basically getting a twist of berries, mango, and the tropics, and it's just an incredible juice / smoothie. The reason why I'm saying / smoothie is because I'm going to show you the recipe here. So basically all you're just going to need is a citrus juicer. The base is going to be 4 large oranges, 2 passion fruits, okay? I've got 1 lime, I've got organic blueberries, and I've got organic raspberries. These are about 160 grams and 125 grams. And I have frozen mango and frozen nectarines. So what we're going to do is we're just going to start with making the orange juice, then we're going to scoop in passion fruit, squeeze in the lime, pour in all the raspberries and blueberries, and then add it on top just some, I don't know, about these packs of frozen fruits are about, I don't know, they're about 300 grams. So I'm just going to use about 100 grams of each, and it's just going to give it a delicious texture, because if it's just the juice and it's warm, it's not as delicious and cooling and thick as if it was with the frozen fruit. So I've done it without the frozen fruits because I know we don't like plastic and stuff, and I was trying to minimize it, keep it whole, but it's just not as good. So I highly recommend you give this a go. Watch me do it, and I hope you guys can make it, and it makes your fruitarian lifestyle much more sustainable and much more delicious, rather than just sitting there eating an orange. If you make this cocktail, it's easy. Basically what we're going to do is it's just going to be super easy to digest, and all the flavors are going to be exposed because we're going to blend it all. I'm not using, and I don't use vertical blenders anymore. I only use the machine one that you press down and you just switch on, because I like to not get things stuck in like a big 1.5 liter jug where you can't get things out the bottom. I like to keep it simple where it's just in a jug. So when I say jug, I mean like a small jug like this. So I'm just going to show you how to make this. Have it. That's how you make a delicious tropical berry smoothie. I'm having this for dinner. I've made about 1 liter, and this has got biophotons, plant filtered water, it's high in flavonoids, it's full of antioxidants, it's pre-digested, it's full of nutrients, minerals, vitamins, everything's in here. The berries are great for healing the glands. The orange and the lime are very astringent. Mango, nectarines, super satisfying, delicious. High carb tropical fruits. Well, not the nectarine, but the mango is. And we're gonna give it a taste test. So you can see it has a beautiful color. Wow. Wow. Oh my god. Whoa. If your food isn't making you smile, you're eating the wrong thing. It's super tropical, super flowery, super strong. It tastes like I'm drinking shampoo, but in a good way. My favorite part is that I put mango nectarine to give it a smoothie texture, so you can chew on it rather than just finish it quick. I've got abundance here. So, Flavours of Light followers. Drink the rainbow and be merry. Wow, really, really good. I hope you enjoy this. Please subscribe. Follow us on Instagram and look out for the next video for more raw vegan inspiration.